Hello internet world, welcome to my unboxing and first look at the Lenovo Yoga Tab Plus. This is the pack with the tablet in, but we also get a keyboard and the Tab Pen Pro inside as well. Very excited to unbox this and take a first look. So let's turn this over and just have a look at some of the specs that are listed on the back. Underneath this panel here is the serial number and some extra information. The main features here are the 12.7 inch 3K PureSight Pro display. We've also got a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, Lenovo AI Now. We've also got premium audio, 10,200 mAh battery. This is the keyboard pack, so we've got the 2-in-1 keyboard pack included, and also the Tab Pen Pro. I mentioned Qualcomm Snapdragon processor inside. We've also got really good sound by Harman Kardon, Dolby Vision Atmos as well, and it's of course powered by Android. I believe it's Android version 14. Might be 15, but I think it's 14. Anyway, let's unbox this for the first time. So we're both experiencing this together, and this video is purely just going to be an unboxing and first impressions video, so do bear that in mind. It's not a full review. Let's turn this back over and see how this is presented to us. Very excited about this, of course, and can't wait to get this powered up. So it says thanks for choosing our products, and if we pull this up, I believe this has probably got the keyboard in. So we just take a look further down inside the box first. So this is the tablet. We'll pop that to one side, and then these are all the accessories, so really nicely presented. Let's take a look inside here first. Absolutely nothing in there, that's just a placeholder. Here we've got the charging cable. I'm assuming this will be USB-C to USB-C, which it is. So we've got a USB-C to USB-C cable. If you're like me, I tend to leave these in the box and just use my own cables. We've also got an extra tip, I believe that is, or is that an extra tip for the stylus? Yeah, that's an extra tip for the stylus inside there. And then here we've got some documentation. So here we've got a safety and warranty guide. We've got a quick start guide for the Tab Pen Pro, quick start guide for the tablet, and probably a quick start guide for the keyboard. Oh, that's the keyboard one, and then we got a quick start guide for the tablet itself. Again, we'll pop those back in there, because if you're anything like me, you probably won't read them. And then we have got in here the stylus. Oh, that's nice. I like the feel of that, nice and lightweight. I believe, does this need charging? It probably will need charging. I don't think it's an EMR stylus. I think it's like an active stylus. Nice bit of branding on here. Let's remove this little sticker. It doesn't leave any residue on there, and that's cool. Let's just pop that in the corner there. That's really nicely weighted. So it's cylindrical, but we've got this flat portion here, which is probably where it's going to magnetically adhere to the tablet. Very nice feeling, nicely balanced. So I like that a lot. So let's have a look inside here. I believe this is going to be the keyboard, which it is, or the keyboard case, because it obviously acts as a case as well. Oh, nice. This feels nice quality. Let's pop this box to one side, have a proper look at the keyboard case before we move on to the actual tablet itself. So this is like the kickstand portion of the case. That's really cool. Like that a lot. Nice soft on the inside, and this leatherette type finish on the back. And then we got some packing in here. Any cables? No, that's just purely packing. Oh, very nice. Wow, I like that. I don't like the sticker in the corner, but we can remove that. We've got the contacts obviously to connect this to the tablet, and then the keyboard. Let's have a quick feel of this. That's pretty nice. We've got a trackpad. Looks like it's slightly off centre, but centralised with the space bar. That feels really nice and smooth. Oh, it's a clicky. It's a clicky trackpad in the corners, not in the top corners, just in the bottom corners. And I believe it supports gestures as well. So instead of this being like a keyboard case, it's a keyboard, and then this is like the kickstand that probably just adheres to the back of the tablet. So not a full coverage case, but nice nonetheless. Let's pop that to one side. It had a nice typing feel to it as well. And then here we have got the actual tablet, and it says here about the power button. I was right, that's where the stylus adheres. And then we've got USB-C on this end, speakers all the way round. That's nice to see. Let's slide this out. Ooh, shame that it's not got a film on it, because I intend to put a screen protector on here, but alas, there is not a protective film, so a little bit dusty, so that's going to make it tricky to put the screen protector. Let's see if this has got any power, which it has. Whilst that is powering up, let's take a look at the reverse side. Oh, very nice indeed. So this is the reverse side. We've got a nice mirror effect just there. Lenovo branding just here. Cameras, of course, flash. This looks like a premium tablet. That's really very, very nice indeed. 13 megapixel dual camera. Yoga branding on here. It just adds a sort of a quality feel to it, this design. I do like it a lot. And a full metal enclosure there. Let's turn this back over, and it should have started up, which it has. It's done the welcome screen for us to set up Google Android for the first time. As I mentioned earlier, we got the power button on this side. We have got the USB-C on this side. It's surrounded by speakers. The connection there for the keyboard on the bottom, volume up and down on the top, microphones there as well. Not sure if that's just a blanking plate or if there is a potential for a memory card slot under there. I don't think it supports memory cards, but a really nice looking tablet, and I believe it said that the stylus adheres to this top edge. Did it go that way round or that way round? Either. Oh, no, it's not magnetically adhering. Was it this side? No, it's got to be this side. Let's try that again. Yeah, it adheres, just not a very strong magnet on there, but it adheres nonetheless. So a really nice looking tablet. I can't wait to get my hands on this and get it set up properly. This is the Lenovo Yoga Tab Plus. If you want to pick up one for yourself, please do check out the links down in the video description. If you enjoyed my video, hit that like button. Please do subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos, which will include a review of this tablet. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you in another video very, very soon.